keep it real with ya. Real hot girl shit.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tia Zamara here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my smoothie meal prep for weight loss. I'm currently drinking a smoothie for breakfast, lunch, and eating a normal portioned size healthy dinner. And this meal prep has been keeping me on track with everything. I'm using kiwis, bananas, pineapple, chia seeds. I have spinach off to the side as well as almond milk. So as you see here, I am putting a tablespoon of chia seeds into these plastic sandwich bags. Chia seeds are good for iron, calcium, the good cholesterol that prevents you from having heart attacks and strokes. And it's also a good source of fiber, which is something that I'm using it for. And also it helps to fill you up because these seeds expand in your stomach or really in anything that's wet. So I'm mainly using it to help me stay full. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and cut my banana into small chunks, obviously because I want to have the easiest time when it comes to blending my smoothie. And we know we want small pieces because this is going to be going into the freezer and everything is going to be frozen. I'm only using half of a banana per bag because that's what the recipe called for. So yes, you guys, and as we know, bananas are also another good source of fiber. Bananas also have tons of vitamins. They also give you energy and they aid in digestion. So your girl needs all of that, okay? And I do have a total of 8 bags. So being that I'm having 2 smoothies a day, I pretty much am good for the next 4 days. So this works out very, 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 very well for me. I'm actually on my 4th day of doing this. I still have smoothie bags because obviously I wasn't doing this method at first. And I want to be just super successful in my weight loss journey this time around. So doing everything that needs to be done, okay? So as you see now, I'm cutting the kiwis. Honestly, get a peeler. Get a vegetable or whatever the hell the peelers are called. Get a peeler because cutting the kiwi, honestly, I was throwing a lot of it away. It just takes too much time to try to cut them with a knife and get all the skin off. So really I was just cutting it into like a square and using the middle pieces to put in my smoothie. So obviously we cut back a few calories there. This whole smoothie recipe is about 236 calories. I'm using a half a banana, a tablespoon of chia seeds, a full kiwi, a cup of spinach, which you see me doing here. I was using the measuring cups for the spinach at first, but then when I realized how hard it was to put in the bag, I'm like, no, I'm just gonna eyeball it. So I used just a handful of spinach for the rest of the bags. And obviously we know spinach, it's greens, it's good for you, it's rich in all the vitamins, benefits in eye health, and reduces stress and blood pressure levels and all that extra stuff. It's one of the key things for weight loss. So yeah. As for the pineapple, I had another pineapple. That's why you won't see me really cutting this pineapple in the video. But I had another pineapple and I really just used a cup worth of pineapples in each bag. So again, the recipe calls for a cup of pineapple, a cup of spinach, a half a banana, a full kiwi, and a tablespoon of chia seeds. I like to make my smoothies with almond milk. However, you can use orange juice, water, cranberry juice, you know, whatever it is that you like to use. Oh, and gem drop of the day, you guys, don't be quick to throw away the pineapple peeling or skin and the kiwi peeling or skin, because you can throw that into a pot of boiling water and literally it'll make your house smell so good, super citrusy. I do this all the time when I'm having guests over. I'll throw on like lemon peels or orange peels and it literally just smells so good. And so after I finish prepping everything, I'm just gonna throw it in the freezer. Now honestly, this is just for the aesthetic of the video. You would probably be coming back to this the next day or a few hours later, but I'm gonna be taking my shit right back out so that I can make my smoothie right about now. Honestly, the smoothie just tastes so much better though with everything frozen. I don't know what happens to the ingredients when it goes into the freezer, but it just tastes so good. And yeah, be sure to put it in the freezer, not the refrigerator, because we want everything to stay fresh. So I'm gonna pour in a cup of almond milk. Honestly, do not get this brand, you guys. I don't know why my boyfriend picked this shit up. He knows we do not get this brand of almond milk. It is so watery. But you can put in almond milk, orange juice, water, whatever you want to use to make your smoothie. I literally enjoy almond milk, and it's only 30 calories. This whole smoothie is only about 236 calories. Or maybe 263. Sometimes I'll be having my numbers backwards, but yeah, it's so good, and it's something I see myself doing for a long time. I enjoy juicing and drinking smoothies. So this is today's recipe. So good, you guys. Catch me in my later videos, and make sure you are subscribed to follow the journey.